This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, February 12th, 2020. Markets just opened here for about 9 minutes, 10 minutes or so, and we are seeing another push to new highs. But today I want to talk about one of the stocks that is doing great, which is Shopify, up almost 100 points for the day as it gaps up right here. What a beautiful gap up and a move as it comes close to 600. So a great winning move for this morning, one of the leadership stocks in terms of percentage gain for the day. And to be clear, one of the reasons why we track this stock is because this was a breakout alert for paid subscribers. As you can see here, the first mention as a breakout candidate was on December 4th. And there was another mention here again as a breakout candidate for paid Muathe.com subscribers, as you can see here. And again, this was on December the 13th. Right here. So let me show you what the chart looks like, and it's not as complicated as it might seem when we are tracking market. So begin here. Again, this is a daily chart. Very successful move, a very desirable move for anybody who's in the market. Of course, the breakout that we were trading was this breakout here. And again, this is the entry area here, early December, right there, when it cleared the previous monthly closing high. Why did we like it? Well, very simple. By now you know the drill. The reason for it being a quality candidate, and the reason why I labeled it as one of my favorite breakouts at the time, was because if you go back to the December view, take a look at the MACDs. One of the MACDs was already breaking out here, and your RSI was well above 69.1. In fact, if you take a look at the RSI, you'll notice it gave you a clue as to the power of the stock, because as you can see here, it had stayed above 69.1, even finding support during this brief moment here above 69.1. So we can say for the entire 2019 year, the RSI was mainly above that magic threshold, the area of power, the RSI 69.1 level. And in fact, it was even above 69.1 for most of 2017 and 2018. So this was already a powerful stock. That's how you know, by studying the RSI. Now guys, this is something you can do for yourselves. It's a very simple process, very simple method. Oh, but one other view before I go. This has been a monster stock for quite a while. As you can see from the IPO days, around 25, this has been a very powerful stock. And when a powerful stock breaks out, we need to pay attention, especially if it breaks out with those simple minimum requirements. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-C-S.